What's up everyone? Welcome back sa ating channel, and this is Leo Pisinio, yung probinsyanong vlogger, and this is another episode of From the Diaries. Today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa dagat, tabing dagat. Yan, kasama ko po yung anak ko, tsaka yung si Ismi. Tanya! Hello! Say hello! As you can see mga repapit, nandito po tayo sa ngayon sa tubig dagat. And today I decided to make a schedule video as a reminder for myself na naman. Kasi recently I just watched my schedule video for published in 1 year, and I was really disappointed for myself. Kasi hindi ko nagawa yung challenge ko for myself na kung ilang videos na mapopost ko. Nawalan ako sa direction na gusto ko. Ganun pa man, proud pa rin ako sa mga nangyari dun sa YouTube channel natin, because hindi ko inaasahan na ganun pala kalaki yung community na mabubuo natin within the span of 1 year. Malapit na tayo may 5,000 subscribers, so very thankful talaga ako. And yun nga lang, hindi ko na-meet yung videos na gusto kong upload within that year. So this is a reminder for myself. Kung mapapanood mo to after 2 years, na sana nag-improve na yung mga videos mo in terms of quality and quantity of video. Tsaka I just want to remind myself na to keep pushing, keep creating, kasi I know na maraming there's a lot of things that going on right now in your life that will be discouraging for you, pero gusto ko tuloy-tuloy ka lang, kasi yun naman talaga yung pangarap mo. At hopefully after 2 years umabot na tayo ng 10,000 subscriber mga repateps. Ayan, kung hindi pa tayo umabot doon, oh my god, I will definitely think twice. Magsisecond thought tayo, kasi I will accept na it will be a total failure pag hindi pa tayo umabot ng 10,000 subscriber within 2 years na ginagawa natin. At least pag nag-improve na tayo, siguro naman dadami na tayo. One final thought, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo, self, na in everything you do, just give it your best, give the 100%, and definitely magbubunga lahat yan. Lahat ng mga pangarap mo matutupad din yan, basta wag ka lang susuko. And just take step backs if ever may obstacles, and think. And lastly, gusto ko na i-balance mo lang yung life, tsaka yung trabaho. Lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo, gusto ko lang yung balance lang yung lahat, sa health, sa life, happiness, money man yan. Gusto ko balance mo lang lahat. And yun, sana okay ka after 2 years, self. Definitely pag napanood mo to, sana ma-inspire ka pa. Sana rin na okay na yung quality ng videos na pinoproduce mo, kahit na sa ngayon kasi mahirap pang gumawa ng quality video, kasi wala ka pang equipment, wala ka pang camera, wala ka pang budget para gumawa ng video. But definitely yung passion hindi nawawala, nandyan pa rin. And yun lang, God bless guys, tsaka sa sarili ko, pagbutihan mo. Yan. Thank you very much.